All right, guys, we're coming up to almost the end of the show, and I don't want to leave the show without touching on our next final segment, which is crypto. Crypto has been a dog. I mean, it's been a disaster for the last couple of weeks. Not only have we seen prices decline, we've seen volumes collapse by around 60% off the peak. It's really clearly in a corrective mode. So the big question I have for both of the ladies today is, I want you to choose your best crypto trade for next week. What do you think is going to happen to the market the week following? And what trade do you want to place within that market that you think is going to make the most sense? I'm going to go to Kathy first, and then we'll ask Raghee next. Talk to us, Kay.
So talk about uncomfortable. This is where I get the most uncomfortable because honestly, I don't trade crypto at all. And I know that Raghee is so much more on the ball with it. She talks, her and Boris talk about symbols I've never even heard of. And so what I will say though, is that, first and foremost on the ZIP, we had a bunch of ZIP sell signals in Ethereum that worked out really nicely. Right now, we're kind of in no man's zone where we're trying to bounce. If you look at the Ethereum daily chart and, with crypto and other assets that I have no idea what's going to happen, we have to turn to our technicals. So here, we've got a very classic head over here, left shoulder, right shoulder, below all of my moving averages in the ZIP sell zone. My preference would be to sell, would be actually to wait for it to rally above the indicator line and fall back down, form one of these white candles. That's the perfect entry for me. But, I want to be short. I don't love this price because we're bouncing off a low. So maybe around a limit order around 1920, 3 would be a good level with the stop at 119.80, and then targeting, I guess, 2 times risk on that. But if I was truly trading Ethereum, gun to my head, I would wait for it to rally, close back below the indicator line, give me one of these beautiful white candles, and that would be the signal for me to sell Ethereum.
Okay. So you're waiting. Ideally, you'd love to see it re-rally, then fail on weakness, and then short again. Into the failure, but
I'm sure Raghee has much more intelligent things to say about this.
Barring that, okay. I mean, I love the fact that you can barely pronounce the word Ethereum. You literally hesitate when you actually have to pronounce it. So that's always fun. Raghee, talk to me, my friend. What do you think crypto land is doing to us these days? What do you think the market is going to be like going into next week?
All right, so I am looking at kick it while it's down. I mean, that's the trend, right? So when I take a look at Bitcoin, this move we're seeing higher into 31.5, 31.6, I'd fade this. I want to get short Bitcoin, and this strength is exactly the kind of bounce that I'd love to fade within the context of the overall trend. And so, where we are right now is this thing comes up to 31.6. I'm going to definitely.
You want to be there. All right, so Raghee is short, 31.6. She loves this trade. And she's short that. Where's a 32 stop or 32? I think like BIT, you can't even trade with less than 1,000-point stop because it's just such a volatile instrument. But you happy to be short what, around 32,000?
Be short. I'll hang on to short. Yeah, I mean, if we can stay below the 55 EMA, I'd be fine with that.
Okay,
so call 32.55.
That'd be your stop. 32.55 is your stop. You'd be stop at the EMA. If it pushes beyond there, then it looks like it's a double bottom. You want to be out of it.
I don't want to be double mule up here. I mean, we are talking Bitcoin here, so
no
double mule.
No, for sure. I mean, Bitcoin can do 1,000 in an hour, so you got to be very, very careful in it. But anyways, so Raghee is fading the strength move over here into the New York Open. It should be interesting to see if crypto seems to have woken up in the last hour since we've been talking. You see Bitcoin up about $500 since that point. Kathy is actually going to be a little bit more patient, waiting for the Ethereum to rally into her 1923 zone before she wants to short it for 1980 stop and about I guess 1850 or so on a target side. So those are our crypto trades. Both ladies really think that whatever bounce we have is sell the rally bounce, because both ladies, Kathy is just negative on it for technical reasons. Raghee is obviously negative on it, both for technical and I guess sentiment reasons, because so much of the air has gone out of crypto for the time.